Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to begin the penalty shootout for semi-final one. Good luck, teams. You both have been great in this tournament. Thank you, Taiwan Hurricanes. Thank you, Underdogs, for an entertaining game. Good luck to both teams. We begin the penalty shootout now. The first shooter for Taiwan Hurricanes will be number 99, Landon Liu. Goal. Taiwan Hurricanes 1. Underdogs 0. Second shooter for Underdogs, number 93, Brandon Tan. Second shooter for Taiwan Hurricanes, number 33, Lee Yang Chung. Goal, Taiwan Hurricanes 2, Underdogs 0. Third shooter for Underdogs Malaysia, number 48, Martin Page. Number 20. Fourth shooter, captain of Team Underdogs Malaysia, Mr. Andy Chang, number 10. And the final score, Taiwan Hurricanes 4, Underdogs 3. Congratulations to Taiwan Hurricanes. They are the first team to go to the finals of MIHT13. Congratulations to Team Underdogs. You will be going to the third fourth placing game against the next semi-final losers. So we have both teams in the ring. Big round of applause for both teams, Team Underdogs Malaysia and the first finalist, Taiwan Hurricanes. We're going to take a few minutes break as we try and contain the water in the ring before we make any announcements for the second semi-final match between the Hong Kong Dragons under 16 versus the Internationals of Singapore. Right after that match, we will have the third, fourth placing. Then we will commence with the final of the competition.